New Google Gemini update is insane. Google just dropped something that's going to change everything. You can now make full songs with lyrics, vocals, instruments for free. No music skills, no studio, nothing. Just type what you want and Gemini builds it. This is the biggest AI update of the year and most people have no clue it exists. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you how to use this right now. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to give you the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop one below and let him know what you think. Now let's get into it. So what exactly did Google update? Gemini got a new feature called music generation before, and now they made this feature free. It's built on Leria 3. This is Google DeepMind's latest model, and it can create full songs from a text prompt. Not just background beats, full songs, lyrics, of course, instruments, camera, mood, all of it. And here's the crazy part. It can also generate music from images and videos. So if you've got a photo or a clip, Gemini can read the vibe from it and create music that fits. That is insane. It also creates cover art automatically. So you get the full package. Track, work, done. And all the music is watermarked with something called Synth ID, which is Google's way of tagging AI-made content. So you know it's safe to use. Weird copyright issues. How do you actually use this thing? Here's the step-by-step. You open Gemini. You look for the Create Music button in the Tools menu. You click it. And you pick your model. You've got options. Fast gives you Leria 3, which is free and makes 30-second tracks. Thinking or Pro gives you Leria 3 Pro, which is the latest model and makes tracks up to 3 minutes long. And you just type your prompt. That's it. Gemini does the rest. It's going to generate your track in seconds. You'll get the audio. You'll get lyrics on screen. You can hit play right there and listen to it. Let me give you some prompts that actually work well. Try this one. Sad piano song about missing someone at night. This upbeat pop song with female vocals about travel and freedom. Lo-fi study music with rain sounds. Epic cinematic trailer soundtrack with choir. These types of prompts give Gemini enough detail to build something real. The more specific you are about mood, genre, and what you want the music to feel like, the better the output. And here's a tip. Don't just say song in the style of a specific artist. Instead, describe the style. Drake-style rap energy or Taylor Swift-style emotional pop. You get the idea. Before I keep going, if you're watching this and thinking, I want to use AI tools like Gemini to actually grow my business, then you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours using AI automation. We go deep on tools exactly like this one, showing you how to plug them into your workflow and get real results. Not theory, actual systems. The link is in the description. Check it out. Okay, back to Gemini Music. Let's talk about what makes this different from every other AI music tool out there. Because there have been AI music tools before, Studio, a few others, and those are solid tools. Here's what Gemini is doing differently. Number one, it's inside Gemini, which means it connects with everything else you're already doing with AI. You're not switching tabs. You're not jumping between apps. You're in one place. Number two, it generates lyrics automatically. You don't have to write anything. You just describe the vibe and it writes the words too. Number three, full genre and mood control. You pick the tempo. You pick the style. You pick whether you want male or female vocals. You're in charge. Number four, it generates cover art. So if you're going to share this music anywhere, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Spotify, you've already got artwork ready to go. And number five, it can take inputs from images and videos. So you show it a sunset photo and say, make music that matches this vibe, and it does it. That's a completely different level. But let's talk about real use cases, because this is where it gets exciting. Use case one, YouTube background music. If you make videos, you know how painful it is to find music that fits. You spend time searching. You worry about copyright. You settle for something that's just okay. With Gemini, you describe exactly what you need. You generate it in 30 seconds. It's yours. Copyright issues. Done. Use case two, TikTok sounds. This is huge. TikTok runs on audio. The right sound can make your video go viral. With Gemini, you can create custom sounds for your content, something nobody else has. That's an edge. Use case three, storytelling and content soundtracks. A lot of creators do voiceover content, documentary style stuff, story-based videos. With Gemini, you can now build a custom soundtrack that matches the exact mood of your story. Use case four, personal songs. This one is different. You could make a custom song for someone's birthday, a gift, something personal, the kind of thing that used to require knowing a musician or paying a producer. Now you just type it into Gemini. Now let me be straight with you about the limitations, because that's how you actually learn to use a tool properly. The free version, Leria 3, gives you 30-second tracks. That's great for social clips and quick content. But if you want full 3-minute songs with Leria 3 Pro, on the free plan, you still get something useful. Leria 3 Pro also isn't studio level quality yet. If you're a professional musician comparing this to a real producer's work, yeah, you'll hear the difference. But for content creation, for YouTube, for TikTok, for background music, it's more than good enough. And the creative control is still evolving. Sometimes the output isn't exactly what you imagined. That's where prompt engineering comes in. The more specific you are, the closer you get to what you want. So it's not perfect, but it's also free. And it's already better than most people expect. Here's what I want you to think about for a second. We are still at the very beginning of AI music. What Gemini just released, this is like the first iPhone moment for music creation. Everyone laughed at the first iPhone camera. People are shooting full films on iPhones. This is the same thing. Right now, Gemini makes short tracks. The next update, longer songs, and full albums, and personalized music that matches your content automatically. Then AI-generated music feeds that adapt in real time. That's where this goes. And the people who learn how to use these tools right now, today, are going to have a massive advantage because they'll know how to prompt. They'll know what works. They'll have a workflow built before everyone else even knows this exists. That's why I'm making this video, to give you a tech review, to make sure you're ahead. So here's your action plan. Step 1, open Gemini right now. Step 2, find the Create Music button. Step 3, try one of the prompts I gave you. Start with lo-fi study music with rain sounds if you're not sure where to begin. That one always works great. Step 4, listen to what it makes. Be specific in your follow-up prompt if you want to tweak it. Tell it to make it more upbeat or slower or change the instruments. Step 5, use it in your next piece of content. That's it. 5 steps. You can do this in the next 10 minutes. Look, if you want to go even deeper on using AI tools like Google Gemini to actually build systems that save you time and grow your business, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and cut out wasted time using AI automation. We're not just talking about cool features. We're talking about real workflows, real systems, and a real community of people using AI to move faster in their business every single day. Tools like Gemini are just the start. There's a whole stack of AI tools right now that most people aren't using. And inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we break all of it down in a way that's simple and actually works. Link is in the description. Come check it out. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, the templates, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from this video in there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are already using AI to get ahead. That's a wrap on this one. If you found this useful, drop a comment below. Julian reads every single one, and I'll see you in the next video.